Hi guys, Dean from SLIPLO Bumper Scrape Guard. We heard your suggestions from our original SLIPLO, and now we are super excited to introduce you to the new and improved SLIPLO Ultra. Both the original and the Ultra offer the same length of 12 inches. The new width of the Ultra is 1 inch compared to original, which was 1.5 inch. Also featuring 1/8 of an inch shorter than the previous model, allowing for a lower profile. Plus, the improved black wall adhesive that does not require adhesive promoter for that rivet-like bond. Alright guys, so we're ready for installation, and since we don't need any hardware, the only things we'll need is a couple microfiber towels, isopropyl rubbing alcohol to get all the grease off, measuring tape so we know where the middle is. A little Sharpie would work really well so we could mark the middle. Shear or scissor that would cut the SLIPLO if need be. And then obviously your SLIPLO Ultra. All right, let's get started. We are ready. One side's protected, the other side is still left empty. Let's go see what it'll look like after it's done with our challenge of hitting a lot of curves. Here we have it guys, right after our mega scrape-a-thon. This lower lip, which doesn't have the SLIPLO, is completely destroyed, as you can see. This is why the SLIPLO is definitely needed for your carbon fiber lip, your lower lip, anything, any lip like this. So make sure you get your SLIPLO Ultra. You could get it at sliplo.com. See you guys on the road.